Hi, Diane. You checking out the backyard?
Yeah, just watching the blue jay.
The blue jay. Cool. I hear you were digging. Way to go. Moving right along. Got your new little pines over there. All right, let's go see what's going on inside.
Kitchen.
Look at this new thing.
You're showing the tiles because the tiles are really nice.
Okay, tiles are really
And
nice.
Amanda was one of the workers on this thing. That's why it looks so good.
And I'll flip the light on.
Whoa!
Dimmer.
Very nice. Let's see what it looks like from this side.
We'll take your order. What would you like to order?
Welcome to Burger King. How can I help you?
Very nice. It looks great. Okay, say goodbye.
Bye.